Are you tired of bank fees eating away at your hard-earned cash? Do you find yourself wondering if there's a better, more affordable way to manage your money? If you're in Switzerland and you've heard about Neon, you've probably also heard people talking about how it's a free digital bank. But what does that really mean? Is it truly a zero-cost solution, or are there hidden fees you need to watch out for? That's what we're breaking down today. We're going to dive deep into the real cost of Neon Bank, exploring its different plans, and uncovering all the fees so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. Neon offers a range of plans, and understanding them is key to figuring out your costs. It all starts with the basic Neon free account. This is the one everyone talks about when they say Neon is free, and for good reason. It has no monthly account fees. However, it's important to know that no monthly fee doesn't mean no fees at all. For instance, there's a one-time card issuing fee of 20 francs. You'll also encounter a 0.35% exchange rate surcharge on foreign currency transactions. And if you're a fan of cash, you'll want to be aware of the 2.50 franc fee for each ATM withdrawal in Switzerland. Neon recommends using supermarkets like Coop, Aldi, or Lidl for free withdrawals instead, but that might not always be an option. Now, what if you're a frequent traveler or you make a lot of international payments? That's where the other plans come in. The next step up is Neon Plus. For 2 francs a month, or 20 francs a year, this plan gets rid of the foreign exchange rate surcharge, so you only pay the MasterCard interbank rate. You also get 2 free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland per month, with subsequent withdrawals costing 2.50 francs. This is a great deal if you frequently pay in different currencies. Beyond that is the Neon Global Plan. At 8 francs a month or 80 francs annually, this is for the serious traveler. It includes all the benefits of the Plus plan, but also offers 3 free Swiss ATM withdrawals a month and a lower fee of 0.5% on withdrawals abroad. It also adds a number of insurance benefits, including travel, shopping, and cyber insurance. Finally, at the top end is the Neon Metal account. For 15 francs a month or 150 francs a year, you get an exclusive stainless steel card and a host of premium benefits. This plan gives you 5 free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland a month, and the best part is that all ATM withdrawals abroad are completely free. It also offers the most extensive insurance coverage, including phone protection and best price guarantees. So, how do you decide? It really comes down to your personal habits. If you're someone who only uses your card within Switzerland, rarely needs cash, and doesn't make foreign purchases, the Neon Free account is a fantastic, almost free option. But if you travel a few times a year or make online purchases from international sites, the Neon Plus plan could save you a significant amount in fees. And for the Globetrotters who want comprehensive coverage and no-fee withdrawals anywhere, the Global or Metal plans are definitely worth a look. Remember, Neon also offers some optional add-ons. The Neon Duo joint account, for example, is 3 francs per person per month. There's also the Neon Green extension, which for 3 francs a month, plants a tree for every 500 francs you spend. These allow you to customize your account to fit your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.